We just had dinner at Thunder Road Cafe. Very American themed. They have live music in there. It's right next to the Oliver St. John, and they have live music there. Everywhere around here's got live music. But if you're gluten intolerant, they do have a gluten-free menu. As you can see, there are a lot of bars around here, a lot of restaurants. And if you want some gelato, about a block and a half from the hotel is Cloud 9. They have gelato and a bunch of other treats as well. So we're about 2 blocks away from the hotel now, going that way. So there's a Papa John's right there. We've got another Temple Bar over here with live music playing as well. So a lot of entertainment. And this whole area is cordoned off, so no cars can come through. So I guess not all of it's cordoned off, but a section of it is.